Alright, we're here at Cadillac today. We're on the back lot, so we're doing a fitment on a 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ. It's a new model. It just came out. It's on the back lot, like I said, so it's kind of tight quarters back here. So we get over here, move to the front here. This is what it looks like in the front. This is not a full size, but it's like a little bit larger than the Lyric. I think the Optic's the smaller one, but anyway, and it's below the Escalade, but it's an electric one here. It's a new model for 26. It does have fasteners, so we're going to show you how that's done. I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike, and we'll get started on the fitment.
Okay, thanks, Steve. And like Steve said, this says have factory fasteners. These are fasteners that we're actually going to remove and reuse. So it's actually a pretty quick install. You're going to spin these out. This is a T15 Torx headed screw. So you're going to go ahead and spin those out. And then, like I said, you're going to take your base plate, start the screws. Real important, you're going to want to start each side before you start tightening up. So through the base plate, and then get them finger tight, and then go ahead and start snugging them up. And like I said, these are going into a metal J-clip, so you can tighten them. We can get them nice and snug, nice and solid. Once you got that done, start your front plate, get it past the pull pin, push it out, clicks into place, and you're done.
Okay, and just some maintenance tips. Make sure you lubricate your pull pin periodically just to keep it working properly and smoothly. And if you go through a car wash and it has the old style with anything that's going to make contact with your front that's got your license plate on it, you're going to want to make sure you remove the front so it doesn't get damaged. And so there's a shot there of where your license plate goes on your front plate, and that's what it looks like. You are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.